Hi, boys and girls. The writing assignment today, you have 3 days to do. And it's really to let us know how this whole experience of remote learning or learning through your iPad instead of coming to school has made you feel. So there's a couple questions, and we want you to try to do at least 3 sentences for each question. That's why we're giving you more than one day to do it. And you're not going to do this on Seesaw. There's a link to a Google form, it's called, and when you click on the link, it'll give you the question and you put the answer right on there. Now you can also write it on paper and take a picture of it and email it to your teacher, either your reading teacher or your homeroom teacher, it doesn't matter. So the questions are, how do you feel about learning at home? So try to explain in 3 sentences how learning at home made you feel. It may have made you feel more than one way, which is why we can give you 3 sentences or more to explain it. You may have liked some things about it and not liked the other things about it. And then it says, what is something positive that has happened to you or your family since we left school? So something that's good that has happened to you or your family since we haven't been able to go back to school that you'd like to share, okay? It could be anything. Maybe you just got to spend more time together. Maybe you did a special trip together, or maybe you just did some special activities together in the house, whatever it is. Anything at all. Maybe you have a new baby brother or sister, things like that. Anything at all. Anything goes. Maybe you learned how to do something new with your family. Okay, so anything though. And the last one is, how are you staying in touch with friends and the school community? So how are you staying in touch with friends from your class? You can include the Google Hangouts that we do, but are there other ways that you're keeping in touch with them? Are you writing them letters? Are you calling them on the telephone? Are you doing your own private Google Meets? And how are you staying in touch with the whole school community? Are mom and dad in touch with other people from school? And are your families in touch with each other? Things like that. Okay, remember, take your time. You have 3 days to do it, so don't rush through it. We want to really know how you're feeling and what's been going on. Okay, so again, you can either use the Google form, and that'll go right to wherever it needs to go. Or you can do it on paper and pencil, because sometimes that's easier for us, I understand that. Take a picture of it with your phone or your iPad and email it to either myself or your homeroom teacher. Okay, mom and dad know my email. My email is farmer@bpsk12.org. And I'm sure mom and dad know your homeroom teacher's email. Okay, thank you. Have fun with it. You get to express everything about this time that we've been away from each other. And I can't wait to see your answers. Bye now.